Did you know you can now change your Gmail username on many Google accounts? If you're tired of your old email address or just want a more professional one, this video is for you. Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Gmail username in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser or Google app and go to your Google account. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Next, tap on Personal Info. Now scroll down and select Email. If your account supports this feature, you'll see the option Google Account Email or Change Google Account Email. Then tap on Change Google Account Email. Scroll down and box Enter your new Gmail username and follow the on-screen instructions to verify the change. If you don't see this option, don't worry. Google is still rolling out this feature, and some accounts may not be eligible yet. Also remember, after changing your Gmail address, you'll need to update it anywhere you use it to sign in, such as banking apps, social media, or online services. And that's it. That's how you can change your Gmail username. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.